Hello students, today we are going to take the vertical problems from question number 8 to 17. So I have chosen the hard problem, that is question number 9, 10, 12, 16 and 17. So these questions I am going to explain you, and after that the remaining will be solved from your side, right? So first question I have taken question number 9. Here the length of cloth required for one shirt is 1.8 meter. So we have to find how many number of shirts we can make from 45 meter piece of cloth. So I have written here length of piece of cloth, right, divided by the length of one shirt, because when we are dividing by one shirt length to the total length, so we will get the number of shirts, right? So here I have written 45 meter, after that 1.8 meter. Now we have done such a type of division where the divisor is decimal, so we will multiply by the number of digit after decimal point by the multiple of 10. So here is 1, so with 1, 1 0, that is 10. What is the effect of this? 18 and 4 50. Now can you do the manual division, or we can directly do the division. 18 ones are 18. Here 18 to the 36, so 45 minus 36, 9, right? 9 with that 9, this 0, 90. So 18 5 is a 90. So how many shirts? So 25 shirts we can make, right? So it is very simple problem. Just you have to write the given part, then in that what we have to find, then write in fraction, right, and then do the division simply. In question number 10 we have to solve the problem based on the distance and number of liter, that is how many distance covered in number of liters. So 2.4 liter we covered the 22.8 kilometer by car. So they are asking in 1 liter how many kilometer they are covering. So I have written here distance covered in 2.4 liter divided by total liter. So distance covered in 2.4 liter is 22.8 kilometer. What about this total liters? Total liters is 2.4 liter. Now you know that here the decimal, after decimal point there are one digit, and here is also after decimal point there are one digit, right? So we will multiply it by 10, and here is also multiply by 10. So we will get this point will get shift towards right, 2 to 8, and this also get shift toward right side, so 24. Now we have to do the division. Now 24 is divisor and 228 is dividend. So we have to think that in 24 table which is the nearest to the 228. So if you gone through the 20 table, so 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, right? So it would be nearest to 24 9s are. So what is the 24 9s are? Do the multiplication. 216. So here is 216. Subtract it. Now this 12 is smaller than 24. Our dividend should be greater always than divisor. So to make this dividend greater, we will take point here. That point gives us power to take the 0. Now 24, how many is 120? Yes, any guesses? 25 is 100. So 24 5s are, yes, 120. So the answer is 9.5 kilometer. So in 1 liter, that car cover 9.5 kilometer. Okay. In question number 11, the weight of 37 bag of sugar is 3644.5 kg. So weight of each bag is equal to what? So each bag weight are equal weights, they have mentioned there. So how we can find the weight of each bag? So we will divide the total weight of 37 bag by a number of bags. So number of bags are 37 and a total weight 3644.5. Now you know very well this division, right? Now this division we can do by manually, so that we would get the correct answer, right? And that correct answer, yes. So we will do the division here by 37, 3644, remove the point. Now 37, how many are nearest to this? 364, because we are taking 3 digits, yes. So I know that 4 nines are 36. So 37 nines are would be very nearer. So 37 nines are 9 sevens are 63. 3 is there was 6 remaining. 9 threes are 27, right? 27 plus 6, 33. So it is the last digit, that is 4 minus 3 1, 6 minus 3 3 and 0. Now 4 comes down. Again think that 314 nearest number. So 4 8s are 320. So definitely 37 8s are will be would be nearer to 314. So let's check 37 8s are 6, 24 plus 5, 296. Now after that 8 1, now it is 185. Now this is the last dividend, so it should be near, it should be get definitely the 185 in this table. So last digit is 7, so 7 5s are 35. Let's check 37 5s are what? 35, 3 is remaining. Yes, now we got the answer. Fives are 185, 0 0 0. Now after that we have to place the decimal point. So from right side we have to place after one digit, here 98.5. So weight of each bag is equal to 98.5 kg. So it is also very easy. Okay. In question number 16, we are going to solve the problem based on the thickness of plywood. So thickness of one piece of plywood is 0.35 centimeter, right? And we have to make a pile of 1.89 meter. So how many number of pieces we would require to make that pile? So students, here we have to focus on the units. Whenever you are solving the word problem, see the units should be same. Here centimeter and here is meter. So we have to convert the meter into centimeter or either centimeter into meter, so that both the units are meter or centimeter. So here I would suggest to convert this 1.8 meter to centimeter. So 1.89 meter. How we can convert meter to centimeter? SBT and BSM. BSM means bigger to small, multiply, and SBD small to big, divide. These are the very important rules, short forms. And by multiply and divide by that unit of the term. Now here is meter. Meter is bigger, so bigger to smaller, multiply. So 1.89 multiplied by how many centimeter? 100. So what is the effect of two zeros? This decimal point will go right side. You know very well. When we are multiplying by 10 multiple to a decimal number, decimal point will shift towards right. So it would be 189 centimeter. Now number of pieces we required. So that is equal to the height of the pile, that is 189 meter, and the thickness of the one plywood, that is 0.35 centimeter. Both are in centimeter. Now we have to convert this into whole number. So I will multiply it by which number? Multiple of 10. So here are 2 digit after decimal point. So with 1 I will take 20. Same with the numerator also. After that, what is the effect? 18900, and here 35. Now you can do the division of 189 and 35, right? Either you can directly divide by 35 to 18900, or you can divide by 5. 5 sevens are 35, 5 threes are 15, 18 minus 15, 3 remaining, 5 sevens are 35, 4 remaining, 4 and 0 40, 5 eights are 40, and this is 0. Now you can divide it by 7, right? 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, and 7 fives are 35. Now 2 is remaining, 7 fours are 28, and this is 0. So we require 540 pieces of plywood to make the pile of having height 1.89 meter. So how many? 540 pieces, right? Okay. Now we are going to solve the 17 number question. In that question, the product of two decimals is 261. Suppose one decimal is here, another decimal is here, and the product is 261.36. One of them is 17.6, means out of them one is 17.6. What is the another number? So naturally what we will do? We will do the division here, by which one of the decimal number to the product given. So I will take this 261.36 divided by 17.6. Here both the numbers are decimal, so we have done this division before. So before dividing, we have to make our divisor whole number. How we can do that? Yes, have you remembered? We have make it whole number by multiplying tens multiple. So 17.6 will get multiplied by 10. Why 10? Because this is one digit after decimal point. So here is 10, here is 10. So what is the effect of that? I will get 176, and here 261, and this point will get shift toward this. So 0.6. Now I will do the division, right? You all know this division. Let's do this division. So now in that division we have to take our divisor 261 and divisor is 176. We have skipped the decimal point. So 176 ones are 11 minus 6 5, 15 minus 7 8, 1 minus 1 0. Now 3 comes. Now 176, how many is the nearest to 853? Any guesses? So we will think about the 2's table. 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6, 2 8's are 16. That is 160. Means 176 4's are somewhere nearest to that. 176 4's are. 3 is remaining, 4 ones are 4, 7. So 704, 13 minus 4 9, 4 149. Again I am taking 6 down. Now we have to think about that which number is nearest to this 1496. So again 2's table. So 2 8's are 16, right? Okay, we will check 176 8's are 56 plus 4 60 0, and 6 is remaining, 8 ones are 8, 8 plus 6 14. So 1408 we have to subtract. 16 minus 8 8 8 0 0. Now our division is at last step, but we need dividend should be greater than divisor. So what we will do, we will take decimal point, and that is 0. Now 166, how many are 880? Because 880 will definitely come, right? 880 definitely come here. So but how many are 2 5's are 10. So let's check 176 5's are 5 6 are 30 0, 3 is remaining, 7 5's are 35, 35 and 8 38, 3 is remaining, 5 ones are 5, 880. So 1455, right? That is the answer. 5.5. But we should know that there is a decimal point in our division already after one digit. This decimal point is after the this decimal point comes naturally in the division, but this is the decimal point already here. So again we have to jump it to the towards left. So the answer is 14.55, right? So our final answer is 14 point, I think there is a 8 already, 14.85. Here I am correcting myself, that is 8, right? Because 8's are we have taken here. So students, in this way we have completed all the hard problem. I hope you will solve the question number 8, 11, 13, 14, 15. These are the homework for you. So do it. Thank you.